Maxwell. What are you looking for the rest of this week?
Well, today, Tier, it's not too terrible. I mean, we are starting off cold. You said it yourself. Temperatures right now are into the 20s and the lower 30s for a few lucky spots, I do have to say. But most of us, very cold to start off. We should warm things up today. Staying mostly dry. Having some cloud cover for some of us to start. Some of us, though, are seeing fair skies already. As we continue in the day, we'll have a mixture of sun and clouds. We are going to remain dry with those temperatures heading into the upper 30s and the 40s. So not much of a weather hazards for us today other than a few slick spots this morning. But we're tracking that wintry mess that'll come through tomorrow. We have low pressure that's down to our south. That's what's going to bring the moisture component. High pressure up to our north. This is acting as a blocking agent. It's also going to bring this cold air from the north too. That's why we are seeing these different precipitation types. We'll see a rain, snow, and a freezing rain sleet event for us throughout the day tomorrow, starting in the morning and continuing into the evening. Let's look at it on Futurecast. Overnight tonight will be dry. Clouds are going to continue to increase. Temperatures tonight will be into the 20s and the lower 30s, so slightly cooler tonight than what we were when we woke up Monday morning. So I think snow will stick a little bit faster for us whenever it comes through on Wednesday. Timings have changed slightly with the latest model run. It is pushing it a little bit later in the morning, but previous model runs were already showing it at 6 a.m. So we could see moisture a little bit earlier than what Futurecast is showing. But it's mainly going to start from the south and push up to the north. Notice here that we do see just plain rain too. So areas like Buchanan, McDowell, and Wyoming counties, I think will see more of a rain, maybe a little bit of a freezing rain event more than snowfall. Now with this forecast in particular, why it's so tricky is because 1 degree in the upper atmosphere can make a big difference. That can convert it to snow or freezing rain or just freezing rain to rain. That's why this is so tricky to forecast, but it looks like north of that I-64 corridor will be predominantly snow, and then we get a little tricky with that freezing rain snow event. This is likely to continue into Wednesday night. Thursday, we'll still hold on to a few light snow showers for some of the area. So the main threats that we're looking at with this snow ice event, of course, is going to be some slick spots. So travel is looking dangerous for us throughout the day tomorrow, especially into the afternoon. As we are looking at some ice accumulation as well and breezy conditions, we could run into some power outages. Winter storm warnings have been issued this morning, but they will be active Wednesday morning and into Thursday morning for the areas in pink. We also have a winter weather advisory only in Tazewell County. That will begin at 12 a.m. Wednesday, continue until 12 a.m. Thursday. And a winter storm watch is still active and will begin at 7 a.m. Wednesday for Wyoming, McDowell, and Buchanan counties. Talking about ice accumulation, it is looking a little slippery out there, so we are calling for a glaze of ice. 1/10 of an inch, even up to 1/4 of an inch of ice is possible. Areas along I-77 could see a little bit higher than that too. Here's a look at that snowfall map. This is our first call one, so there is a possibility we could make some tweaks throughout the day with new model data coming in. Since this is such a tricky forecast, for now, lower snowfall totals down to our south, higher as you head up more north into the northeast of our viewing area. So we are calling for a 100% chance of this wintry mess for us tomorrow. Thursday, a 30% chance for some snowfall. Mainly looks to be along the mountains, but we could see some drape over. Friday and Saturday, mostly dry so far, but we're still looking at some winter precipitation that could try to sneak in during the weekend. Back to you.